Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, Not Your Average Vegan. It's your girl Chef Shan here, and today I will be making a super flavorful vegetable soup for you guys. So if you want to see that, stay tuned. I'm going to begin this dish by prepping my vegetables. So I have chopped up all my vegetables into bite-sized pieces, and I have some garlic, some onion, a leek, some celery, carrots, and also some parsnips. Go ahead and get you a deep pot and add about a tablespoon of oil to it and turn it up to medium high. Then we're going to begin to add in all of our vegetables so they can begin cooking. Everything in the pot, you want to go ahead and give it a really good mix so that it begins to cook evenly. And we're just going to let that cook for about 10 minutes until it looks a little something like this. Next, you want to go ahead and add in your garlic and give that a really good mix. And you're going to let these vegetables finish cooking off for about another 2 minutes. Now I'm just going to add some water to my pot, and you can totally use vegetable broth if you like. I choose to use water because I am going to add some vegetable stock cubes into this in a second. I'm also going to add in some red lentils, and you can use the color of lentils that you would like, but this is what I had on hand, so this is what I decided to use. And you want to go ahead and give your pot a really good mix just so those lentils don't clump together. Now we're going to go ahead and add in some chickpeas for some extra protein and texture. Now I'm going to go ahead and season the soup with some curry and some cumin. I wanted to give it a little different flavor from a typical vegetable soup, so this is why I chose those seasonings. And here you see me adding the vegetable stock cubes that I mentioned before. After getting everything mixed in really well, you want to go ahead and place a lid on your pot and let this cook for about 20 minutes. This is what we have after 20 minutes, and I'm going to go ahead and take 3 heaping scoops of the soup out and set that aside to cool down. After removing some of the soup, I'm going to go ahead and cover it and let it cook for another 10 minutes or so. Once the soup that I've removed from the pot has cooled down some, I'm going to go ahead and add it to a blender, and I'm just going to blend this until it's nice and creamy. We're just going to add this soup back to the pot and give it a really good mix. At this point, you can turn your stove off because the soup is finished cooking, and we're just going to add a little extra something to freshen this soup up. fresh chopped parsley and also the juice of a whole lemon. This is going to give it a really fresh flavor. It's going to bring all the other flavors together. Product. This soup is creamy and also has texture from the vegetables we get in the blend. It's full of flavor and it's very hearty. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you know when there's a new video uploaded. And I'll see you guys in my next video.